Have you ever wondered how your favorite fruit, the avocado, gets from the farm to your kitchen? Or why it seems so difficult to find the perfectly ripe avocado? Or perhaps, you've asked yourself how this creamy, buttery fruit became such a staple in kitchens around the world. Today, we're diving deep into the world of avocados, from their history and cultivation to their fascinating processing journey, which transforms them into everything from guacamole to smoothies. But first, let's rewind the clock. Imagine the first time someone encountered an avocado. Was it love at first sight? Or just another strange-looking fruit? In today's world, the avocado is a luxury item, often associated with health, wealth, and Instagram-worthy breakfasts. But trust me, this wasn't always the case. Stick with me as we peel back the layers of avocado culture, from ancient trees that are still bearing fruit to the innovative machines transforming them into creamy pastes for the masses. So, how did the avocado go from being a luxury food to an everyday snack? Let's start by taking a look at the fascinating life cycle of an avocado tree, the unique care it requires, and its remarkable journey from being a tiny seed to the fruit you scoop out for your favorite dip. The life of an avocado tree. Did you know that with proper care, avocado trees can live and produce fruit for over a century? That's right. There are avocado trees in California and Mexico that have been bearing fruit for more than 100 years. And these ancient trees are still going strong. The life cycle of an avocado tree is nothing short of fascinating. It all starts with the careful planting of the tree. The process requires patience and attention to detail. You can't just throw a seed into the ground and expect fruit. Avocado trees begin to bear fruit after 3 to 4 years of plantation, but it takes much longer for the tree to reach its full potential. During the first few years, the tree focuses on developing its root system, ensuring it has the proper foundation to support the growth of fruit in the future. Now, the real wonder begins once the tree starts bearing fruit. Avocados take their time to ripen. In fact, avocados don't ripen until after they've been picked. Farmers monitor the trees closely, watching the size and maturity of the fruit before harvesting. The waiting game is critical. And once harvested, you'll notice that an avocado can sit on your counter for days without ripening fully. This is because they only ripen once off the tree, which is a peculiar and somewhat frustrating trait. But why is that? Why does it take so long for these fruits to ripen? Why are they so difficult to judge in terms of freshness? Well, it's because the ripening process is all about ethylene gas, the plant hormone responsible for triggering the ripening of fruit. The longer the fruit sits on the tree, the more ethylene it produces, which helps speed up the ripening process once picked. This is also why you can control the ripening of avocados at home. Simply leave them on your kitchen counter for a few days after purchasing them. The avocado's journey to your plate. Let's fast forward a bit to the day your avocado reaches your kitchen. We've all been there, right? You buy an avocado, and it's either too hard to eat or way too soft. It's one of the most common frustrations with this beloved fruit. But what if I told you there's a way to get the perfect avocado every time? Well, you're in for a treat. In the world of avocado farming, technology plays a massive role in getting the perfect fruit to your plate. Farmers use advanced scanning machines that detect the quality of each avocado. These scanners are the real heroes of the avocado world, scanning every single fruit that comes through the system to make sure it's ripe and ready for packaging. The scanners analyze the fruit for size, shape, and any signs of imperfection. And they don't just look at the outside, they also detect the internal quality of the fruit, ensuring you're getting the best of the bunch. But what happens after the scanning? How do these avocados make it into the packages you buy at the store? Well, it's all about precision and efficiency. The avocados are moved along conveyor belts, where they are sorted by size, weight, and ripeness. This ensures that every package contains a consistent batch of avocados, making sure you get the perfect fruit for your guacamole, toast, or salad every time. But not all avocados are sold as fresh produce. With the demand for convenience growing, many companies have turned to processing avocados into ready-to-eat products. This is where the real magic happens. Fresh avocados are transformed into smooth, creamy avocado paste, the perfect addition to dips, sandwiches, and even smoothies. And this process is not as simple as it sounds. The processing of avocados. Let's dive into the world of large-scale avocado processing, where millions of avocados are turned into creamy goodness. When you think of mass production, you might not think of a delicate fruit like the avocado. But you'd be surprised at the level of care and precision that goes into creating avocado paste. First, the avocados are inspected to ensure they meet quality standards. This is where the magic of technology comes into play. Every avocado is scanned to ensure it meets specific size, weight, and quality criteria. The best avocados are selected and sent to massive machines that begin the mashing process. These machines are designed to gently mash the avocados into a smooth, creamy consistency. But there's a catch: they must not overmash the fruit. The texture has to be just right, creamy, but not runny, thick, but not chunky. This process is carefully controlled by advanced sensors that monitor the texture and consistency of the avocado paste. It's a delicate balance, and even the slightest change in the process can result in a batch that's too thick or too thin. Once the avocados are mashed, they are mixed with other ingredients, like lemon juice or salt, to enhance the flavor. Some companies even add preservatives to ensure the paste remains fresh during transport. The paste is then packaged in sealed containers, ready to be shipped out to stores and restaurants worldwide. The beauty of this process is that it allows avocado lovers to enjoy the creamy goodness of avocado without the hassle of peeling and mashing the fruit themselves. The rise of avocado culture. Now, let's take a step back and explore how avocados became so much more than just a fruit. In the early 1900s, avocados were considered a luxury item. Only the elite had access to this exotic fruit, which was often served in high-end restaurants. The fruit's rich, creamy texture and unique flavor made it a symbol of wealth and exclusivity. But as time went on, avocados began to lose their reputation as a luxury food. With the rise of global trade and better farming techniques, avocados became more accessible to the masses. Fast forward to the modern era, and avocados are now a staple in many households. But their status as a luxury item hasn't entirely disappeared. In fact, avocados are still considered a high-end food item in many parts of the world. The rise of social media, particularly Instagram, has only fueled the popularity of avocados. The simple act of spreading avocado on toast became a viral sensation, with influencers and food bloggers showcasing the perfect avocado toast in beautiful photos. This visually appealing dish, paired with the health benefits of avocados, helped cement the fruit's place in modern food culture. It became more than just a fruit, it became a symbol of health, wellness, and status. The future of avocados. As we move into the future, what does the world of avocados look like? With growing concerns about water usage, the sustainability of avocado farming is a hot topic. Did you know that it takes nearly 350 liters of water to produce just one avocado? This is particularly concerning in water-scarce regions like California, where the demand for avocados has led to increased farming. There's a growing movement to make avocado farming more sustainable by using less water and more efficient farming techniques. In addition to sustainability, there's also the question of the avocado market. With the increasing popularity of avocados, demand is at an all-time high. But can the avocado supply keep up with the demand? And how will the industry adapt to the growing need for convenience, with more and more consumers opting for prepackaged avocado products like guacamole and frozen avocado slices? The future of avocados is both exciting and uncertain. As consumers continue to demand more sustainable, affordable, and convenient avocado products, the industry will need to innovate and adapt to meet these needs. And that's the incredible journey of the avocado, from ancient trees that have stood the test of time to the advanced processing machines that turn millions of avocados into the creamy goodness we love. With all the fascinating steps that go into growing, processing, and enjoying avocados, it's clear why this fruit has captured the hearts and stomachs of people around the world.